In today's video, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy way to make external product images and titles in WooCommerce open in a new tab. It's a simple tweak, but it can really help improve your customers' shopping experience by letting them browse without leaving your store. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. Now, the code we'll be using is available in the description below, so you can just copy it from there. Once you've got the code, head over to your Code Snippet editor. This could be a plugin like Code Snippets, or even your theme's functions.php file. All you need to do is paste the code snippet and then activate it. Now, let's see how this works on a product page. So, here we have a product, an external product, in this case, an Android smartphone. This product has already been configured with an external link in the product settings. Let's start by clicking on the image. And, as you can see, it opens the external link in a new tab, just like we wanted. Next, let's try clicking the product title. It does the same thing. It takes us to the external affiliate link, again in a new tab. This feature really helps ensure that customers can easily get back to your store without disrupting their shopping journey. And that's it for today's quick WooCommerce tip. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your online store. Thanks for watching. And if you're ready to give it a try, don't forget to check out the blog post linked in the description below for the exact code snippet and more details. Happy coding!